Hello everyone. Here is a walk downstair animation translated from a normal walk animation. This is a normal walk animation. And this is a downstair animation. The step is same, just add a bone transform modify in animation graph. Let's create a animation blueprint named ABP_downstair. Open blueprint and find anim graph. Right-click and type state, add a state machine and rename it. Drag and type cache to add a cache state, rename it as cache. Right-click and add the cache state. Drag and type default to add a node using default slot, it is for montage, drag and link it to output. Double-click locomotion, enter it. Drag from entry and type state to add a state, rename it as walk. Double-click walk state, enter it, open the content folder, drag walk animation into it, link to output. Recycle it. After locomotion state, add local to component node. Then between them add transform bones node. Let's check downstair animation. When downstair animation begin, all body will go down. Back to anim graph, click the modify node, set bone to modify value to pivot. Set translation mode to add to existing, set translation space to bone space. Check preview width, it is red, means X value. If set it to world space, it will be blue, means Z value. Separate the translation value, drag from X value because it was set to bone space. Set it to a float called pivot_x, it will be calculated later to move body down. Click the default value, find pivot_x in detail window. Change its value and see the body move down, this means it works. Open downstair animation, when body go down, 1 foot should keep its place. Open anim graph, add a new modify node. Set bone to transform value to ik_foot_L. Set translation mode to add to exiting. If set translation saps to bone space. When animation, it will change rotation, so it should be set as world space to make sure it won't rotate, just change translation value only. SA same as pivot_x, separate translation value and add a ik_L_z parameter. Compile and click default value, set ik_L_z value, it doesn't work like pivot_x, foot doesn't move. Open the skeleton window, because IK bones don't exit, it is created to help control real bones. Open anim graph, after modify node, drag and type leg IK to add a leg IK node. Check its detail window, in legs definitions. Add 1 open it, set ik foot bone to ik underscore foot underscore l, set f foot bone to foot underscore l. Compile and set ik underscore l underscore z in detail window, the foot animation work well. Reset them and compile. There are 2 foots, so let's copy the left node. Rename parameter to ik underscore r underscore z. Set bone to transform to ik underscore foot underscore r. Set leg underscore ik nodes leg definitions to ik underscore foot underscore r and foot underscore r. Compile and change detail values, check if animation work well in preview window. Here is a mistake, the pivot as modify should after ik bones, so should move it after ik bones. Compile and save. Open downstair animation. When 1 foot go down, body will go down either. So in walk animation, there should be a notification to tell animation blueprint to calculate parameters. Right-click in Content, create a folder named Data, open it. Right-click and choose Blueprints, click All Classes, find Anim Notify State. Choose it and create a Anim Notify State called ans underscore downstair. Open it, in Functions, override received underscore notify begin and received underscore notify end function. Set return value to true. Add function named getAnimationInstance, it is the reference of animation blueprint. Create a blueprint interface, name it BPI underscore downstair. Open it, create a new function named begin downstair, compile and save. Open animation notify state blueprint. Add the interface function begin downstair, compile and save. Open animation blueprint, click class settings, in detail window choose BPI underscore downstair, and compile. Interface begin downstair has been created, open it. When animation notify begin, it will call interface named begin downstair. The animation blueprint will deal with it. When someone walks, it should be confirmed which leg, left or right. So create a enumerate called e underscore step, it has 2 parameters named left and right. Open blueprint interface, the function should have an enumerate input named step, compile and save. Open animation notify state, click on interface, create a new parameter named step, click I button to make it public. Open walk animation, right-click, add an animation notify state. Check the animation downstair will happen from first frame to fifth frame, change the notify state's head and tail to current frame. Click on animation notify state, set step to left. Open animation blueprint, the begin downstair interface has a parameter named step, it will help calculating IK values. Back to walk animation, add animation notify state from 21 frame to 25 frame, set step to right. Open downstair animation. When downstair begins, animation blueprint should be calculating values, making body down. Open animation blueprint, create a new function called call downstair. Drag and link it to event update animation. Calculate should not always work, it should be a Boolean value to start or stop it, so add a branch between them. To store the switch Boolean value should create a struct to store it. Create a struct named s_step, open it, name first to step in enumerate, second to downstair in Boolean, compile and save. Open animation blueprint, create a new parameter in type of s_struct named step. Drag and set values in struct, in detail window, click all to exposure them. Link it and set the downstair Boolean value to true. Then get the step value, break it, link the downstair value to branch. Open walk animation. When notify state end, animation blueprint should stop calculating. So in notify state blueprint, in received_notify end function should be another interface to tell aniamtion blueprint to stop it. Open bpi_downstair, create a function named finish downstair, compile and save. Open animation notify state, in received_notify end, add interface named finish downstair. Open animation blueprint, compile and under interface, double-click finish downstair. Exegesis them, copy step struct setting, link to finish downstair interface. Unselect downstair because once this interface called calculating should stop. Open callDownstair function. Add a function called finterp to const. It will help calculating the values bind to bones. Add a new parameter called current, then add a setting function link input to finterp const's output. Set target to a parameter named step distance. It is the height of every step. Compile and set its value to 20. Set delta time to 1. Here is how to calculate speed. Animation time equals 4 frames dividing 30 frames per second. Distance equals 20, trigger times equals distance dividing progress, progress equals delta time multiplied by speed means 1 multiplied by speed. It means for dividing 30 dividing world delta equals 20 dividing speed. So in animation graph, create a parameter named animframes in float. Then create a parameter named FPS in float. Compile and set default value to 4 and 30. In walk animation detail, we can check the FPS. Then implement that formula. Open animgraph, make sure the values should be calculated are pvis_x, ik_l_z, ik_r_z. By changing default value, make sure that if you want move body down, pvis_x should be negative. So in function callDownstair should set pvis_x by multiplying -1. Then set ik by enumeration step, instruct step. Check in walk animation, when enumeration is left, it should change ik_foot_ as transform. So in function, connect ik_l_z to right enumeration, connect ik_r_z to left enumeration. Set current value to them. Compile and see the preview. He walks stupid, I need resetting. To reset animation, it should be a function to reset all parameters. So after branch, create a sequence, add a do once function at first sequence. Then add a new function named initData. Set all parameters to 0. Meanwhile, config all const value like step distance, animframes, FPS in const group. It will make them easy to find. Compile and link initData function after do once. Compile and check animation preview. Then link second sequence to call downstair. Compile and in preview window it shows body does go down but then doesn't work well. Check the downstair animation in front view. Second step should go down base on first step. So when finished downstair, should create a new parameter named pivus_cache to cache pivus_x. Open call downstair function, get pivus_cache's absolute value. Add to current value, create a local parameter named local distance to store it. Replace current with local distance at pivus_x setting. Compile and check preview, body do go down but weapon doesn't. Open skeleton, it has a bone called IK_hand_gun to control weapon transform. Open call downstair function, there should be a parameter to be calculated. Open animgraph, create a modify node about IK_hand_gun. Create a float called weapon_z to control it. In call downstair function, set weapon_x as well as pivot_x. Compile and check preview, it works well. Add weapon_x reset in init data function. Compile and check preview, it works well. Weapon always in right place. But foot still works stupid. Open downstair animation. When left foot finish downstair, right foot should also go down. In animation blueprint, set preview play speed at 0.1, right foot didn't go down. So create a new function to calculate it named cowRelease. Need a new notify state to trigger it. Create a new notify state named ans_release. Override begin and end functions as well as what ans_downstair do. Added to walk animation form 8 to 13.
Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, that's someone. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on.
Add another from 28 to 33 for another foot. Open BPI_downstair, add two new interface functions named begin release and finish release. Compile and open notify state, add them into it. Open Animation Blueprint, implement two interfaces. As same as downstair interface. They should also add an input about calculating which foot. So should add an input of step enumeration, compile and save. In notify state, add a new parameter and exposure it. Open walk animation, when left foot go down, then right foot follows. So parameter of release notify state should set opposite, right or left. Compile and save. It seems in step struct should add a new parameter to decide when to calculate release distance. Open step struct, add a new Boolean parameter called doRelease. Open Animation Blueprint, copy step setting function and link to begin release. Check do release and uncheck do downstair. Link step. Copy another step setting function and link to finish release interface, uncheck do release. When downstair IK bones transformed should decrease to 0. Open Animation Blueprint, create a new function called calRelease to calculate them. Here comes a mistake, I've created it but forget, now create it again. As same as a call downstair, when finished downstair, hash ik_l_z and ik_r_z, name them ik_l_z_cache and ik_r_z_cache to get target. Open calRelease function, add af_interp to const function. As same as call downstair, set delta time to 1. Copy speed from call downstair. Animation time is different, so duplicate a new const value named release animation frames. Check walk animation and set it to 5. Connect step distance to target. Drag from current and add a new parameter named outer dis release. Add its setting function and link to f_interp const function. Switch step enumeration, set outer dis release to ik_l_z or ik_r_z. Open walk animation. When step is left, animation do left foot release. Check ik_l_z and ik_r_z setting function connect to right net. Then connect ik_l_z_cache minus outer dis release to ik_l_z. Copy and replace ik_l_z_cache with ik_r_z_cache. Connect to ik_r_z. Open event graph. Add a branch about do release, connect when do downstair is false. Make some space. Connect true to cal release. When finish release, set outer dis release to 0. Compile and check preview in front view, it works well. Set play speed to 0.1, foot animation play well. It seems downstair too fast, I will change it in Blender, just insert 1 or 2 frames, make it slower. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, please let me know.